Hello guys and hi everyone, this is Chayan from quickpreview.in and let me show you the app Ubank. So in a nutshell, Ubank is a website builder. Inside it you can create your blogging website, you can create any kind of websites, and you can also monetize it by doing the advertisement, by doing affiliate marketing, by creating sponsorship like stuffs. Okay, so let me show you how you can do it, but let me clear you, this tool is little bit complex for me. That is why maybe I cannot show you the wholesome tool, and like that there are so many stuffs to do. Okay, this tool looks so much simple, but it is little bit complex for me. Not maybe it is okay for you or very simple for you, because the tutorial is given inside this page. You can go through the tutorials, and you can go through this tutorial and you will come to know that how this tool works. And why I am saying this is complex for me, because I have to install WordPress and I don't want to do that. Already I am using WordPress, so why I have to install WordPress? But to show you this tool, I have to do that, or I have to create I have to use the custom domain feature. If I don't want to use the WordPress feature, like inside the manage website, if I want to list my website, if I want to create my website, after putting these stuffs, I have to use the WordPress, or I have to integrate my previous website, my recent website inside this tool. So I don't want to do both of them. Like I don't want to install the WordPress, I don't want to use the custom domain feature also. That is why I am saying that little bit complex for me to show you this tool, but I can recommend you to go through this video to know more about this tool. So let me show you some of the examples. Firstly, that these websites are already working or already made with this tool, that is Ubank. You can see here, these are the websites. You can also click on to read article more, and you can check out all of the articles that is captured by this tool in a professional way. And also you can use the notification feature to capture emails, to send the newsletters and some additional stuffs. You can also create the advertisement inside your homepage. Not only this website is running, but also these websites are running. These are the two websites, and there are so many much more websites. You can see here, you can place your advertisement, you can use the email capture facility. You can see here, this is also a website that is totally dedicated on fashion and designing, that is running inside this tool, and this looks very much professional. If you want to run Google AdSense, that is also enabled inside this tool, so don't worry about it. You can place any AdSense advertisement here very easily. And apart from that, if I want to show you this website, this is an automobile website, and inside this you can see here any of the articles. If I click on this, so you can place your advertisement, Google AdSense, or any other affiliate you want to promote, any other affiliating product, or any other your own product, you can also promote that. So let me show you back to the members area of this tool. So there are some done for you stuffs also. If you want to use the done for you stuff, you have to integrate the tool, or you have to get the upgrade version of the tool. And inside upgrade, I will be giving you the mega bonus also. So that is why you will be motivating inside the upgrading of tool. You can easily upgrade the tool. If you want to do so, I can give you the mega bonus. So the upgrade and the training bonuses, everything is given. Reseller staff is also a upgrade, and ads manager is also is normal thing. Like you can place here website, you can place here advertisement position and advertisement code. And inside advertisement code, if you paste the Google AdSense code or Google embedding code, then there will be your Google AdSense, or there will be your Google advertisement, and you can earn a good money using Google AdSense. So many people in the world earning from Google AdSense. And this is the done for you. I have already shown you. Inside the content search, you can create your website and using WordPress and to custom domain. I have told you already previously inside the beginning of the video. And after doing so, you can choose also template, everything. I don't want to do all of the steps, but let me do it in a very fast way. If I want to show you something new, @.com and short code. Okay, so I am using the WordPress website. I don't want to use the custom domain for this video purpose. Let me click on, so the website is being created, you can see here, and you can edit it, you can delete it, anything you want you can do so. Website is created in a very fast way. And the next thing is you can edit your website. Inside editing, website editing, the feature slider you can see here. Inside the home page of this website there was a slider. Sorry, this website doesn't contain the slider. Maybe this or this contain the slider. So okay, so this website also don't have any slider. Okay, so this website also don't have a slider, I think. So maybe slider is not started inside those websites. But apart from that, you can use the slider very easily by doing the feature slider, managing category, managing pages. Pages means your about pages, your contact us pages, and any kind of pages you can edit them. You can create new pages, manage your lockers and assigned articles. Inside assigned articles, I can assure you that you can create your own article by writing stuffs and doing stuffs like in a traditional way. But inside content search, you can create the RSS feed or RSS stuff. Okay, so if you do so, I have not created my website, that is why it is showing me to create website first, then to use the content RSS feed. But you can do the RSS stuffs. I am not sure from where you can do so, but you can depend on this demo video for the RSS stuff. And inside the RSS feed, you can capture other people's content as if it is your content using the RSS feed. So that is why this tool is also valuable, and you are getting this tool inside $17, 30 days no satisfaction money back guarantee available. And these are the some features, some definition, some stuffs about this tool, and I strongly recommend this tool. And front end will give you 29 plus bonuses, and the upsells will give you mega bonus. So let me show you, these are the bonuses now you are watching on the screen that comes with the front end product. And there are some vendor bonus. If I am not wrong, vendor bonus is very valuable. So semi exclusive bonuses. Inside semi exclusive bonuses from vendor, you will be given 10 bonuses, and these are very valuable. Inside general bonuses, there will be more bonuses. So in total, you are getting so much more bonuses. Seven bonuses. So in total, 17 bonuses will be given to you from vendor, and I am giving you 29 bonuses. And if you want to purchase upsell, you can also do that. You will be given the mega bonus. So that's all I want to say about this tool. You can click any of the buttons inside this page, and after that you will be sent to the sales page. This is the sales page of this tool, and from the sales page get the tool within just $17. And for the launch period, you can use the coupon code that will be appearing here. Once you have tried to leave this page, that will be appearing here, I think. Or maybe there is no coupon code, I am not sure about that. Maybe they introduce sometime, vendor just introduce coupon code suddenly. Okay, so you can also do so inside the launch period. You will be given the discount, and that is a thing, that is a very good thing for this kind of tools. So Ubank review is completed. So have a good day. Thank you. If you're still hearing me, that is very much for me. You have given your time. So bye bye. This is me, Chayan Sarkar. Goodbye.